stop finding your passion. Passion is overrated. So get ready for a totally unscripted video. I have made no notes. I haven't thought about what I'm gonna say because I want this to be a rant slash totally something coming from inside me, and I don't want to censor it because I strongly believe in this what I'm about to say. So listen up. I get so many messages from people saying, I don't know what to do, I don't know what my passion is, I'm so lost, and I want to find my passion. And you know what? I totally get where you're coming from because I was exactly the same 2 years ago. Okay, when I was, well, I'm not gonna tell my age. Just kidding. When I was 23, back when I was 23, this is like the new millennial thing where we have the existential crisis of why we are doing what we are doing, what is my passion, what do I want to do with my life. So let me shatter your misconception. Unless you are someone who was super talented in something since birth, like Mozart or Sachin Tendulkar, or you were honing that skill from when you were a little kid, then of course if you were doing that you won't be asking that question, what is my passion, because those guys worked on those skills and grew it and they were so good at it, or maybe they were born with that skill, or maybe they were born with that special quality that made them so successful. So unless you were something like that, you're good because you already found out that passion. But if you were someone like me who did a million things and then settled on one thing, and or who, if you are like me, who are like, okay, let me find my passion and I'm gonna make money while doing my passion. Okay, so this video is for those guys who are lost, don't have a passion, don't know what to do, and still want to make money. Okay, so I recently realized, actually not recently, about 2 years ago, where I said, let me quit my job and find my passion. That was the goal eventually. Well, I was thinking of quitting the job. It was like a 7-8 month process, and I took that decision after thinking a lot. So, passion is overrated. Why? Because if you're not already born with a special skill, you'll never find what your passion is. And people say, hey, I want to find my passion, but they don't do anything to find their passion. Here's the thing: to find your passion, first of all, you need to explore a lot of things, and hold me accountable on that too, because I did a lot of things too. While I was in my transition phase from the job to whatever I'm doing right now, I had a travel blog. I loved traveling. I still love traveling, but I also used to maintain a travel blog, write blog post on it, share it, and do all the things that blogger do. I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna be a travel blogger and I'm gonna be super famous and travel the world and make a video series about me traveling the world. I mean, that's the dream, right? Yeah, but then I realized there isn't a lot of money in it, and I like money. So totally switched out of that idea and stopped my blog. And then, but then I was still working at my job, and this travel blog was like a passion project. So it was good. But here's the thing: doing that blog actually taught me WordPress, how to write blogs, how to do a little bit of social media, how to share, and kind of introduced me to other bloggers and stuff like that. So it was not totally not worth it. I think that was a good starting point to where I am today, where I have an online business doing social media. So, and that's why I keep telling you, explore, do stuff, and actually make an effort to finding something that you might like and want to keep doing it. Now let me see if I can explain this correctly. Here's the thing: I realized that there is nothing like passion, just some elements that you absolutely love in your life, that you should use those elements to create your dream life. And if you would ask me, is marketing my passion? I mean, I do love it, and that is why I can do it so well. But if I say, oh my god, I love marketing, I was totally born to do this on earth, nah, not like that. Okay, I won't say that. I wasn't born to do this. Marketing itself. So I have actually used marketing um, to create my dream life, a life which allows me to make money online, travel the world, work from home, work from wherever. If I am sick and I want to take days off, I can do it. If I want to book a vacation next month, which I'm planning to, I can go ahead and book the ticket right now without asking a boss. So all of these elements were important to me in my dream career, in my passion. So I took marketing up as my passion because, as you might know, I was taught in software engineering. I was a software engineer, worked for 3 years at a software job, but so I had like 7 years of experience studying and being a software engineer. But I didn't want to do that all my life. Again, wasn't passionate about it. I didn't want to keep coding, solve bugs, work for people, see when servers went down, Mongo is down, Elasticsearch is down. Man, I cannot deal with that. Okay. And so I quit software engineering. Now, marketing is really good and it has allowed me to create my dream life. I want to tell you this. This is my advice to you, all the millennials out there, everyone who is out of college or in college or is lost. Here's the thing. Start exploring options of things that you might like. If you feel like some element is not good from that, maybe try to remove that element and do something else, or see if there's a solution. For example, let me tell you this. My dream life, when I was envisioning it, was to do something online and work from anywhere. Basically, do something which will help me work from anywhere in the world. So software engineering did allow me to do that, but I didn't want to keep doing it. Solving bugs and creating websites and doing backend. I was a backend developer. I didn't want to do that. So I chucked it out. Found out about marketing, can easily do it online, no issue of bugs and stuff like that. So that fit my bill. Okay. So that was totally amazing because marketing has allowed me my dream life. But here's another example. During that transition period, I was, when best friends are talking, they're hanging out, business ideas come up, and especially because I was in the middle of transition, yaar ye karte hain, let's do something amazing, let's do something cool. So I was also thinking of, my blog was called The Purple Backpack, and I was like, hey, let's create the Purple Backpack shop where people can buy travel theme accessories, backpacks and stuff like that. I used to love travel, still love the Purple Backpack. I will always remember it fondly. But here's the thing, to create a shop, you have to find the best price, find the fulfillment people, take care of the shipping, take care of customer service. And if I want to do that while traveling the world, kind of difficult to do that because I either have to take care of all of this myself or hire someone else to do it and maybe trust if they're not doing a good job. So check out that idea. So even though I like doing it, I would say that my passion was the Purple Backpack shop or the Purple Backpack. So what did I do? The Purple Backpack blog was there, wasn't able to make a lot of money in it, and actually bloggers don't make a lot of money until you're super established, which is 2-3 years down the line. I didn't have that much patience. I wanted money and I wanted money right now. Chucked it out. Thought of the Purple Backpack shop idea. Operations were a nightmare. Chucked it out. Had the software engineer option, didn't want to do that, chucked it out. Finally found marketing, which I can easily do it online. I like doing it. I like finding clients, talking to clients, networking with people, traveling the world to go to conferences and meet my clients and meet other people, and this is fun. Marketing has allowed me to create my dream life. I won't say marketing is my passion. I do love doing it. I do love what I do. So that is important, and that is why quit thinking about passion and think about what is the vehicle that will give you a way to reach your dream life and create your dream life. Envision your dream life. What is the best possible vehicle that will take you to that life? And marketing is that for me right now. Maybe it will change in the future. Who knows? But I tried a lot of things to see what fit my bill, what I liked, what I didn't like, and then came to marketing because I was exploring, I was trying. Okay. So yeah, I hope this advice resonates, and hopefully I was not rambling because this is totally unscripted. Alright, let me know how you like the video in the comments. If this makes sense, also give it a good thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.